Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Need It on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. The chords you'll need are E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Into A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. So E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Strumming pattern that I'm doing is down, down, rest, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Slower, down, down, rest, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So to play that, you're going to use your high E and B strings, and starting with your ring finger on the 7th fret of the E string, you're going to move up 1 fret to 8, so and then down to the 5th fret with your pointer. So, and then the next part, your pinky on the 8th fret of the B string, and then your pointer on the 5th fret of the B string. So. And the next part goes, so you just bend onto the 7th fret of the E string, go down to the 5th fret of the E string, and then 8 of the B string, 5th of the B string. So the whole thing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.